from Princeton University, and we are ready for story problem. So before we start, we need to make sure we have our materials. You have your cubes, say check. Do you have your cubes? Check. Do you have your pencil? Check. And your notebook? Check. You should have all these three things. And now you are sitting straight, your hands are folded, and you're looking at the paper and listening to me. I know you're ready. Let's go ahead and get started. There are 3 red markers and 7 purple markers in a cup. How many markers are in the cup all together? Yes, we know that word. Do it with me. All together. Let's go ahead and read it 2 more times. There are 3 red markers and 7 purple markers in a cup. How many markers are in the cup all together? One more time. There are 3 red markers and 7 purple markers in a cup. How many markers are in the cup all together? So friends, now it's your time to say this problem in your turtle shell or to somebody next to you. Make sure you try to remember all the words possible, especially the numbers to help you memorize the story. Go ahead and say it now. All right. Bring it, you say back. Bring it. Bring it. Yes, you brought it back. You're standing, not standing, you're sitting straight and your hands are folded and you're looking. So friends, I want to focus on a word here. I know last time we were focusing on the word more. I want to focus on the word and also the word all together. So let's start with and. So we could say that there are 3 markers in a cup and 7 markers in a cup. So 3 markers in a cup and 7 markers in a cup. How many markers are in the cup all together? I know in my head when I think about the word all together, that means count them all. So let's keep that in our brain as we solve this together. Strategy number 1 is the cube. So let's get started. I know that I'm going to read the problem again and use my cubes to help me solve. There are 3 red markers. I'm going to stop right there because I have a number and item, I guess, right? An item. I do have an item. There are 3 red markers. So I'm going to stop and I'm going to use my cubes. To put that amount up there. 3 red markers, and I have red cubes. How cute. Let's go ahead and count. Count with me as I put them up. 1, 2, 3. Now I need to move to the and 7 purple markers in a cup. So I don't have purple, but I do have, no, I'm going to make sure I finish my stick first and then move on to the next one. So 7 purple markers. Let's go ahead and continue with the same stick. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh wow, just enough. How many markers are in the cup all together? So we're going to count them all together. Get your pointer finger ready. Sorry, it's called a hot finger. Get your hot finger ready. Say, hot finger, I'm ready. Ooh, you sound ready. So remembering that we're going to tap each cube only 1 time and count out loud. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I know as a grade math, before I even write it down, how many markers are in the cup all together? 10. So I know that I'm going to write it down and I'm going to circle my answer. So that's how many I can show with my cubes. Now, show another strategy number 2. And we know that's with a paper and a pencil. And we draw circles. Draw a big circle with me. 1, 2, 3. Let's draw a super big circle. Are you ready? On my count, when I say 3, we start. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that's a big circle. And stop. That was a big circle. But we know on our paper, we need to use the room that we have. So we're going to draw small, neat circles. Point to me and draw a small circle. Just enough so we can fit on your paper. Ready? Point to me. And on 3, we're going to draw a circle. 1, 2, 3. Circle. That was a perfect circle that can fit on our paper. Let's go ahead and draw. There are 3 red markers. Again, I'm going to stop right there because I have a number and I need to show it. So if I have 3 red markers, how many circles am I drawing? Yes, 3 circles. Let's go ahead and draw. Help me count. 1, 2, 3. And 7 purple markers. Again, I'm going to stop because I see a new number. If there are 7 purple markers, how do I show 7 purple markers with circles? How many circles do I draw? Yes, 7. Let's go ahead. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. Now, we need to figure out how many markers are in the cup all together. Just like we did with the cubes, we know that we're going to point to each circle and count it. Go ahead and get ready. Point your finger up and point to the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We used 2 strategies and got the same answer. 2 different strategies, same answer. Say it with me. 2 different strategies and same answer. Excellent. So, last time with story problem, I taught you a new cheer. It's the Hulk cheer. Remember the big green superhero? Let's go ahead and do a powerful Hulk cheer. Remember, it's look at me first. Hold your hands back straight. Look at me first. It goes like this. You are incredible like the Hulk. Now we can do it together. Point to me and I'll point to you. Ready? Let's go. You are incredible like the Hulk. Oh, that was so much fun. Let's go ahead and see what problem you're going to do today. I noticed that friends are just sitting silently and waiting for the picture to be fixed. Now, I'm going to read this problem 3 times, and I know after this you're going to solve it silent solo. That means you're going to work on your own to solve this problem and show your work. And I cannot wait to see it. Let me go ahead and read. There are 4 purple balls in a bag and 8 red balls in the same bag. How many balls are in the bag all together? There are 4 purple balls in a bag and 8 red balls in the same bag. How many balls are in the bag all together? Last time. There are 4 purple balls in a bag and 8 red balls in the same bag. How many balls are in the bag all together? All right, friends. I know you can do this and show all your hard work, and I'm so excited to see it. So, friends, that's it for today. Bye. Have a great day.